Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello, good morning students. In the last video, you had understood what is the kinds of sentences. Lesson number 20, kinds of sentences meaning. Today, we are going to do the exercise of chapter 20. Exercise A, page number 126, 126. Circle the subject and underline the predicate in these sentences. Number 1. First, we are going to understand what is the meaning of subject and predicate. Subject means the noun. Noun means name of the person, place, animal or thing. In subject only the noun is there in the sentences, and predicate tells about the noun. Now, for example, the cat is drinking the milk. Now, here the subject is cat, is drinking the milk is predicate. Now, predicate tells what the cat is doing. Cat is drinking the milk. Number 2, Rahul reads the storybook. Rahul, subject, reads the book, storybook, predicate. Now, from the textbook, first and second sentence I will do. Rest all the 8 sentences you are going to solve within 7 to 8 minutes. After that, I am going to give you the answer. You are going to see whether you had written the right answer. And suppose the student, if your answer is wrong, do the correction. Clear? Now, first sentence, circle the subject and underline the predicate in these sentences. Number 1. All living organisms require food to survive. Now here, all living organism is a subject. Require food to survive is the predicate. Number 2. Association of two different organisms. Up to organism is subject, then in which both are benefited is called symbiosis is predicate. Now students, after 5 minutes again I will be back and give you the right answers. Now do the 8 sentences on your own self as soon as you can. Students, now 5 minutes are over. Now you tally your answer. Tally your answer means now you check whether you had written the right answer or wrong. And if it is wrong, do the correction. Number 3. There are 4 types of teeth in our mouth. Up to mouth, subject, and rest all. Incisors, canines, premolars, and molars, predicate. Number 4. Number 4, see the student. The letter written by my mother to my father 30 years ago is the subject. Second part of the sentence is the subject, and first part tucked neatly under the pail of clothes in the cupboard are predicate. Number 5. The process of removing wool from the body of an animal is subject is called shearing is the predicate. Number 6. Many people subject rest all have come from far away place to pray at the Medak church on Easter day predicate. The Belcher sea snake is subject is the most precious snake in the world is predicate. The blue whale's heart subject is as big as small car predicate. Ninth, three of the world's biggest animals subject the ostrich, the elephant, and the giraffe lives in Africa. Predicate. Number 10th, a sand sculpture. Subject uses only water and sand to make sand sculptures. Predicate. Exercise A is completed over. Students, now we are going to do the exercise B, page number 128, 128. Identify the types of sentences and write assertive, interrogative, exclamatory, and imperative. Now, first, what is the meaning of assertive? Assertive means to tell something, or now, for example, the sun rises in the east. Now, tell, we explain that the sun rises in the east direction as giving the answers. Assertive means one type of giving the answers. Now another example, I live in Ahmedabad. Where I live? I live in Ahmedabad. So this way, if the sentences is like giving the answer, so you had to write the assertive. And interrogative means asking the question. For example, where are you going? What are you doing? And after asking the question, there will be a question mark. Now exclamatory means expressing the feeling, happiness, sadness. Now, for example, alas, I met an accident. And when we say this, the exclamatory mark should be there. Other thing, when we got first rank or 90% marks, we express, oh, I got 90% marks in 10th standard. So this way, when we are speaking in expression form, that is the exclamatory sentence. And imperative means in imperative we speak 2 to 3 different ways, like sometimes we speak very politely, softly, and sometimes we speak in angry way, and sometimes we just give an order that you have to do this work. Now when politeness or softness, when we want something, we say please give me your book. Order means we are not going to use the word please, only we are going to say give your book. So this way, and order requesting please. So this way, when we understood that the person is requesting us or he is giving us the order or speaking in an angry way, so that is the imperative sentence. Here I am going to do the two sentences. Rest all you had to do within 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I will be back and tally the answers with you. And students, if your answers are wrong, do the correction over there. Clear? Now see, first sentence. The jigger is the largest member of the American family. Now here it tells you that jaguar is the largest member of the American cat family. So here tells you about the jaguar. So it is an assertive sentence. You have to write down the full spelling of assertive, not only A. Now number 2, Tony had lunch before he left. Didn't he? Here it is the asking you. So it is an interrogative sentence. Write the full spelling of interrogative sentence. Don't write only I. Now rest all from 3 to 12 you are going to do within 10 minutes. I will be back within 10 minutes. Now students, 10 minutes are over and tally your answer. Number 3. What an amazing fish the Piraeus is. Your exclamatory mark is also there. So you are going to write down exclamatory sentence. Number 4. Have you ever read an e-book? Here again asking. So it is interrogative. Number 5. Do as you are told. Here order is given. So it is imperative. Number 6. One should exercise at least 5 times 5 days a week. Here it is an assertive. Number 7. Antarctica has some of the coldest places on the earth. Again it tells you about the Antarctica, so it is an assertive. Number 8. How hot it is here, isn't it? Again it is asking, isn't it? So it is an interrogative. Number 9. Name 2 animals that live in the seas around Antarctica. Asking the name of the 2 animals, so interrogative. Number 10. Do you like the Harry Potter series of the book? Again here asking, so here also interrogative. Number 11. Check if you have taken everything before you leave. Here asking to check whatever you had pack it. So here telling you something to do, so it is imperative. Number 12. Where on earth did you keep the notes? Again here asking, so it is interrogative. Students, here we had completed the exercise B.